The pace of Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks is getting faster and faster as we approach the likely launch window. So here's a whistle-stop tour of everything we've just learned about the S24 series upgrades and new features, including photography, design, screen, storage and color options. Camera and AI. First up, leaker Alvin emphasizes the Galaxy S24 series previously tipped focus on AI, with the new Galaxy AI powering several features. That will include more realistic camera processing than we saw on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. New materials and color. The phone has been rumored before to use titanium side rails like the iPhone 15 Pro, and according to Alvin's source, Samsung's titanium grey version of the S24 Ultra looks better than the equivalent natural titanium iPhone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also feels good to hold, with the only big difference from previous Ultra Samsungs being that it's flatter than before. This is perhaps a benefit to some users who find curved displays lead to a lot of mistouches when trying to use their phone, but a downside for those who are used to, or even like, Samsung's curved displays. Tougher and brighter display. A leak from Ahmed Quader tells that the screen of the new top-tier Samsung will allegedly be clad in Gorilla Glass armor, which seems to be a new unannounced type of toughened glass. The upgrade will make it harder to damage the phone via the inevitable scratches and drops that these devices experience in the world outside your bag or pocket. This Ultra display will also offer 2600 nits of brightness, making it incredibly bright, and beat the iPhone 15 Pro and Google Pixel 8 Pro. Quader's post also backs up leaks about the S24 Ultra's cameras, including a new 50 megapixels telephoto camera, and its use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in most countries around the world. Storage. Leaker Mystery Lupin has leaked all the possible memory variants of the Galaxy S24 series. The basic Galaxy S24 is getting 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. The Galaxy S24 Plus is getting an upgrade to 12GB RAM and offers 256GB by default and 512GB if you pay extra. Colors. We can also see the various color options that may be on offer for the whole Galaxy S24 series in Mystery Lupin's images: yellow, violet, grey and black, available on all models. These colors will likely have fancier names, for example black in Samsung SA is usually Phantom Black. Launch date. The launch of the Galaxy S24 series is tipped for January 17th at an Unpacked event in San Jose, California. We can't wait to see if these leaks are accurate, and what else Samsung has in store that's not been revealed by tipsters yet.